Attention homeowners!
How can you get a free month of home warranty protection?
Well, you call Choice Home Warranty right now. It's pretty simple. If you want to beat the skyrocketing prices of home system and appliance repairs or replacement, then you need to call Choice Home Warranty.
Is a new refrigerator in your budget? How about an air conditioning system? These unexpected costs could be catastrophic, but with a warranty plan, you have coverage.
Choice Home Warranty has saved millions of homeowners some serious coin. And when you call now, they'll give you your first month free.
That's right, get your first month free. With Choice Home Warranty, plans are customizable and cover repairs or replacements on up to 25 essential home systems and appliances. Plus, you'll get a nationwide network of trusted local technicians. You can save time and money when a repair is needed.
Reputation matters. And for Choice Home Warranty, they've been voted a best home warranty and have thousands of 5-star reviews from real homeowners.
The truth is, there's nobody better than Choice Home Warranty. We trust them with our homes, and you should too.
Call now for your free quote and get your first month free. Call in the next 5 minutes and get free limited roof leak coverage. That's a huge savings, but you have to call now.
You work really hard for your money.
Our homes are the most valuable thing we own.
But even we leave home systems and appliance repairs to the professionals at Choice Home Warranty.
You could literally save thousands of dollars on your next home appliance or system repair or replacement if you call Choice Home Warranty right now.
Plans are affordable, customizable, and made for homeowners. Plus, you get your first month free when you call now.
What are you waiting for? Call now. Gosh, I've always wanted to do that, Ty.
Really loud.
Woo.
Call in the next 5 minutes, and as a special gift from Ty and Tanya, you'll get free limited roof leak coverage. Call now for your free quote and your first month free.
Call 800-495-4470. That's 800-495-4470.